Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video, I'll be showing you how to make your very own bulldozer for all of your city building and construction building needs. I designed this vehicle to go with a much larger project of mine, which is a giant construction site. If you would like to make the site itself, if you haven't already, or perhaps some of the other vehicles that come along with it, check out the card system, description below, and the top of the comment section for every single build that is involved and joined with this one. But without any further ado, let's get started. This is the amount of space required to make your bulldozer, a 7 by 3 block area as represented by the white concrete grid on the ground, which I would more than recommend that you make if you are planning out your city or if you're going to be placing this in a cramped space such as a construction site. Here are all of the materials that you will need for your bulldozer. Please do make sure that you have access to all those materials and enough of them as well. And now that we have all of our stuff, we can get started. So if you've made the grid, I want you to come towards the back of where you want your bulldozer to be. And pick any corner, it doesn't matter which corner, and place a black concrete on that corner. In front of the black concrete, place 3 andesite slabs. 1, 2, 3. Black concrete in front of that. Then a polished andesite slab to the side. Black concrete. And then copy what you have just made onto this side. So 3 slabs, black concrete. Fill the base of this in using polished andesite slabs. I want you to place a blast furnace on the front middle part of your bulldozer. Yellow carpet left and right of the blast furnace and also on top of it as well. Then we're going to place behind all of this a row of yellow concrete. Behind the yellow, grey concretes. Behind that, 2 entire rows of yellow concrete, just like this. Then, we're going to extend up the grey concretes, each by 1. And the yellow concretes also by 1 as well, just the ones behind. Join them together, the yellow concretes, using black glass pane, and the grey concretes in front using black glass pane as well. Feel free to put a seat inside the bulldozer, despite the fact we can't get in here, and I'm using a smooth quartz stairs for this. String on top of the stairs, and then I'm going to place yellow carpet on top of every single block to make a roof. If you like, you can place this across the back as well, just like so. And then I'm going to get out some new materials. I hope that I don't need some of the ones that I've just thrown away. I'm going to grab these old ones right here. And one that I'm missing as well, I don't know how I've managed to miss it, an item frame. It will certainly have been in the item list though. And we're going to place stone buttons on the sides of the wheels, just like this. Tripwire hooks where we would be able to open the doors if there were some, just here. We're going to place item frames in the back two... How did that get there? Item frames in the back 2 corners of the vehicle with red concretes just to look like lights. It just adds a little bit of a something. And then in front of this, it doesn't make a massive amount of sense that the actual end rods would come out of the tires, but it looks good, so that's what I'm happy about. So end rods out of the front 2 wheels, and then polished andesite stairs across with smooth stone slabs across the top, and it's just a nice, simple, pretty cool looking bulldozer. So this is what your bulldozer should look like once it has been 100% fully completed. I hope that you guys have enjoyed making this tutorial, and if you have, please do remember to hit that like button, as it really helps me and the channel out very, very much. If you're new around here, please do consider subscribing and clicking the little bell next to the subscription button. That'll ensure that you get all of my videos sent directly to your sub box. Make sure that all of those notifications are turned on, because you'll be able to tell when I have uploaded really cool things like an entire construction site and all of the other vehicles that might come with it, and all sorts of other city builds too. So if you do want to make any of the construction site that you may not have made already, check out the card system, the description below, and the top of the comment section for every single build that is involved in the building site, along with the city builds playlist, which will just have loads and loads of cool stuff for you to make as well. But thank you so much for watching. I love you all very much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.